Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by forcing a clean reboot so safe mode can clear if it was a one-time glitch. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the tablet restarts. This resets transient processes. Once done, check the bottom left corner for safe mode. If it's gone, you're done. If it's still present, make sure to note which app caused it in the notification area, because the next step targets that app. Now you'll remove the app level cause. Boot the tablet normally and open Settings then Apps. Sort by recently opened or installed to find likely culprits. For each suspect, force stop first to see if safe mode clears. If that helps, uninstall it to prevent recurrence. When an app is borderline, clear its cache and data before removing it completely. Make sure to reboot after each significant change to confirm whether safe mode is still active. Finish by tackling system-level fixes if app removal didn't work. First, boot into recovery mode, power plus volume up, varies by model, and wipe the cache partition. That removes corrupted temporary files without erasing data. If safe mode remains, back up your files and perform a factory reset. This restores default firmware and usually fixes persistent safe mode loops. If everything else fails, check for a stuck or damaged power or volume key physically. Hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.